Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you the first things to do after unboxing your iPhone 17. So, at first what I do recommend doing is to go to the settings, Wi-Fi over here, and connect to any Wi-Fi network that's available. This is the first thing that you should do. The second thing is to go here and log in to your Apple account. Just perform a quick login to your account. When your account is done, tap here Find My and enable Find My iPhone. This is crucial actually. And this also logs your phone to your Apple ID activation lock. Apart from that, you can go back and scroll down to battery. Here now, scroll down to charging and enable the optimized battery charging over here and clean energy charging over here. Apart from that, open power mode and enable power mode over here. Now, go to the notifications in the settings over here and enable, where was that? Summarize notifications. Summarize. Choose notification to summarize. Select what notifications you want to summarize and enable it. Here now we can go to the next thing, which is here in the Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode if you have one, and here set up the Face ID and Passcode. Just do it for yourself. It makes your life easier. Apart from that, here go back, go up, and now tap on your account where you were logged in. Tap iCloud, and here as I can see they have my iCloud full. But here tap iCloud backup, enable backup this iPhone. This is very crucial and very nice for your phone. Here now you can go back, and here go back again and scroll down to the privacy and security tab. Once here, open location services and manage all these things. You should here see tracking and disable tracking for every application that pops up here. Now go back to the main menu of the settings, and here now you should find something here in the display brightness called, if you scroll down a little bit, here always display. Turn it off because it drains your battery, even though it looks nice. And as the final thing, restart your device. Yes, really. Hold your finger here on the volume up button or volume down button, slide to power off and power off your device. After 30 seconds, turn it back on. This helps finalize indexing, reduce elderly battery drain, and prevent setup glitches. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.